Good day everyone and welcome to our presentation on the future of water management.
We are pleased to present our project which focuses on an innovative approach for the removal of methylene blue from water bodies.
I'm Sinchana and I'm accompanied by Ruhi from Excel Public School, Mysore. Together we represent the Blue Warriors.
To start, let's examine the current state of water management and the techniques used to remove methylene blue from water. Water management is a global challenge, with India facing severe shortages despite having only 4% of the world's freshwater. Over-extraction of domestic, industrial, and agricultural use exacerbates the issue. India also ranks 120th out of 122 countries on the Global Water Quality Index.
The primary purpose of our project is to remove methylene blue before it is discharged into the water bodies to protect human health and the environment from the harmful effects of this dye. Absorption of methylene blue from water bodies provides environmental and practical benefits, especially in water treatment. Methylene blue used in industries like textiles and pharmaceuticals can harm aquatic life and human health.
Tea waste, which includes used tea bags and leftover loose tea leaves, might seem like trash, but it contains a secret: its ability to absorb pollutants like methylene blue. This process is simple, low cost, and eco-friendly.
The chemical structure of tea compounds allow adsorption. The tea waste bind with the dye molecules through a process called adsorption. When the tea waste comes in contact with the dye, adsorption takes place and thereby purifying the water.
In our experiment, we tested the effectiveness of tea waste in removing methylene blue. As you can see, the water changes from a deep blue to a much clearer state just after a few hours of treatment. This method showed significant results, reducing dye concentration by up to 90%, demonstrating just how effective tea waste can be as an adsorbent.
We interviewed Ms. Rupa S., a lead auditor for environment, health and safety at a reputed private company. The key takeaway from the interview was her insights on methylene blue and their toxicity. Also, we gathered information on existing techniques to detect and prevent dye pollution.
By using tea waste, we not only clean up polluted waters but also reduce the environmental impact of waste tea, which can take up to years to decompose in landfills. It's a perfect example of how tea waste can be transformed into a valuable resource.
We have come up with a simple, cost-effective prototype model that would help textile, paper, cosmetic, and pharmaceutical industries to remove methylene blue from wastewater. Our prototype consists of a treatment chamber, collection chamber, aerator, and a filter unit.
Tea waste is more than just a byproduct of your daily cup of tea. Next time you finish your cup of tea, remember that just a little waste could make a big difference in cleaning up our planet's polluted waters.
Is the reason behind the success of our project. I, Sinchana, along with Ruhi, did the experimentation part.
Ruhi did the documentation part.
I, Sinchana, worked on the building of the model. Thank you.